Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A stunning modern house nestled in a lush forest setting. The home features a sleek, contemporary design with smooth curved edges, large glass walls, and a minimalist aesthetic. Its exterior combines natural wood and concrete, blending harmoniously with the surrounding greenery. The roof is topped with a lush garden of plants, enhancing the home's eco-friendly appeal. Warm interior lighting reveals a cozy living space with modern furniture, creating a perfect balance between nature and luxury. The house is elevated slightly above the ground, with a small set of concrete steps leading to the entrance, surrounded by vibrant landscaping and serene forest views. A beautifully designed modern house surrounded by lush greenery and a vibrant garden. The home features a sleek, flat-roofed architectural style with large floor-to-ceiling glass windows that allow natural light to fill the interior. The exterior combines warm wooden accents with dark metal framing, creating a perfect blend of contemporary elegance and natural charm. In front of the house, a well-maintained garden showcases bright orange flowers and various tropical plants, adding a burst of color to the serene setting. A stone pathway leads to the entrance, framed by neat landscaping and patches of green grass. Inside, warm ambient lighting creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, making this modern home an ideal retreat harmoniously integrated with nature. A striking, single-story modern house set deep within a dense forest. The architecture is defined by its minimalist design and extensive use of floor-to-ceiling glass, effectively dissolving the barrier between the indoor and outdoor spaces. The home features a dark, flat roof and accents of warm, natural wood paneling on its exterior walls. Inside, the warmly lit interior reveals an open living area, suggesting a sense of comfort and sophistication. Leading up to the house is an inviting pathway composed of a bed of gray gravel interrupted by large, rectangular concrete stepping stones. The house is enveloped by a lush, deep green landscape of tall trees and rich ground cover, creating an atmosphere of seclusion and tranquil luxury. Single-story modern retreat nestled within a vibrant, lush jungle or tropical forest setting. The house features a bold architectural contrast, combining sleek black siding with extensive floor-to-ceiling glass walls and a warm, wood-paneled soffit, the underside of the overhanging roof. The large glass panels allow the bright, inviting interior light to spill out, showcasing a cozy space within. A deck made of warm wooden planks extends from the front of the house, leading the eye to a meticulously landscaped garden. The foreground is dominated by rich, colorful foliage, including bright orange, yellow, and red flowers, interspersed with large, deep green leaves and ferns. A minimalist pathway of large, rectangular gray stepping stones over black gravel leads across a small patch of manicured lawn toward the wooden deck, emphasizing the blend of structured design and untamed nature. The entire scene is surrounded by the dense greenery of tall trees, creating an atmosphere of seclusion, tranquility, and high-end design. Modern pavilion-style home situated in a dramatic and lush tropical or jungle environment, with towering cliffs or mountains visible in the misty background. The architecture is characterized by a flat, dark roof and an open design dominated by expansive, floor-to-ceiling glass walls that offer an uninterrupted view of the surrounding greenery. The interior is bathed in warm, amber light, revealing a contemporary living space with minimalist furnishings, including a low-profile sofa and a pair of accent chairs. The home seamlessly integrates with its environment. The surrounding landscape features a vibrant, well-maintained garden with a central patch of lawn, bordered by tropical plants and splashes of bright red and white flowering shrubs. A pathway made of rectangular stone pavers leads across the grass directly to a low set of steps at the home's entrance, reinforcing the feeling of a secluded, high-end sanctuary blending sophisticated design with breathtaking natural beauty. A beautifully designed contemporary house nestled within a lush, verdant garden under a bright, partly cloudy sky. The architecture features a sleek, dark flat roof and a mix of materials, including expansive glass walls and warm, horizontal wood siding, lending it a modern, almost mid-century aesthetic. The house sits slightly elevated, with a short set of wide, minimalist concrete steps leading up to the entrance. The surrounding landscape is the focal point, featuring a vibrant, expertly manicured garden. The foreground is framed by striking clusters of bright orange flowers, which contrast beautifully with the varied deep green foliage and ferns. A gravel pathway leads through the garden directly toward the home, creating a clear and inviting approach that emphasizes the seamless integration of sophisticated modern living and the rich, colorful natural environment. A stunning, long, single-story modern home deeply embedded in a dense, lush forest or tropical environment. The architecture is characterized by a low, light-colored flat roof and an extensive wall of floor-to-ceiling glass doors and windows that run along the entire front facade. These glass panels open the interior completely to the outdoors, promoting a strong connection with nature. The home rests on a dark, elevated deck or terrace, which extends out over the landscape. Sections of the exterior are clad in warm, rich-toned vertical wood paneling, which contrasts beautifully with the black window frames and lighter roofline. Inside, the warmly lit rooms, a living area and a bedroom are visible, featuring modern, minimalist furnishings. The foreground consists of a vibrant, multi-layered garden with a patch of lawn, low tropical plants, and a structured gray stone pathway leading up to the deck, all under the gentle, dappled light filtering through the tall surrounding trees. A charming, small modern cabin or tiny home nestled in a deciduous forest, possibly during the autumn season, given the scattered yellow leaves on the ground. The structure features a distinctive living green roof, covered in lush vegetation, which contrasts with the dark, horizontal wood siding of the walls. A wide, warm-toned wooden deck extends across the front of the cabin, serving as an outdoor living space. The deck is furnished with comfortable seating, including a rattan sofa with pillows and a pair of rustic chairs, and is decorated with numerous potted plants and planters, creating a cozy, natural ambience. Large sliding glass doors and windows allow a glimpse into the brightly warm-lit interior, which appears to be a functional kitchen area. The overall scene conveys a feeling of seclusion, sustainability, and rustic modern comfort. A highly modern and unique tropical retreat, possibly constructed using modular or repurposed shipping container components. The home is characterized by an open living area with a black flat roof and expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls, which completely expose the interior to the lush surroundings. A striking element is the right side of the structure, which appears to be a brightly orange-red shipping container, showcasing a clever and bold use of industrial materials in a residential context. The interior is bathed in warm, inviting light, revealing a comfortable, contemporary living room and a bedroom area. The house sits elevated on a dark wooden deck, with wide, concrete steps leading down to a patch of grass. The entire scene is set in a vibrant tropical environment, surrounded by palm trees and large, exotic foliage, creating a sense of secluded, stylish, and sustainable living.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.